Welcome to Dynamic Medicos. In this video, I am going to talk about differential diagnosis of appendicitis. First, in the children, enterocolitis is common in children. It presents with severe diarrhea with blood and mucus in the stool. Second is Meckel's diverticulitis can present with the abdominal pain, vomiting, fever. Signs and symptoms are similar to acute appendicitis, difficult to differentiate clinically. Third one is worm ball. It's common in children in the developing countries. However, features of intestinal obstruction will be present. Acute iliac mesenteric lymphadenitis, non-shifting pain and the rebound tenderness are absent. It is viral in origin and self-limiting. Neck nodes will give clue to the diagnosis. In young adults, right-sided ureteric colic, hematuria, severe pain from the loin to groin, absence of cough, tenderness help in excluding acute appendicitis. Amoebic typhlitis is associated with the diarrhea, blood in the stool, and tenderness in the left iliac fossa. Manson's bar amoebic point of tenderness, torsion of undescended testes, absence of testes in the scrotum, clinches the diagnosis. Meckel's diverticulitis, Yersinia ileitis, acute self-limiting inflammation of the ileum caused by the Yersinia pseudotuberculosis. In middle age, acute appendicitis, inflammatory exudate gravitates in the right iliac fossa, resulting in the pain, gardening and rigidity in the right iliac fossa. History of alcohol intake, severe backache and tenderness in the epigastrium helps in diagnosing acute appendicitis. Perforated duodenal ulcer can present with the pain of the right iliac side. Acute cholecystitis can also present with the features of acute appendicitis. However, it is common in elderly females. Pain in the right iliac fossa and tenderness is due to the dilated intestinal loop peristalsis, as in ileocecal tuberculosis or the carcinoma of cecum. Presence of an irregular hard mass suggests the carcinoma. In females, ruptured ectopic gestation, missed period, features of hemorrhagic shock, that is pallor, and extreme tenderness of the movement of cervix during poor vaginal examination clinches the diagnosis. Pelvic inflammatory disease. These are the group of inflammatory conditions affecting the young woman. Tubo-ovarian sepsis, salpingitis and the endometriosis are the grouped under this. Pain is bilateral, fever is higher degree, no anorexia are a few features. Tenderness is present both iliac fossa. On deep palpation, cough, tenderness, vaginal discharge helps in the diagnosis. Chlamydia, trachomatis and Neisseria gonorrhoeae culture to be done. Mid-menstrual or the Milters-Semmes rupture of the ovarian follicle occurs about 14 to 16 days and can produce abdominal pain. Torsion of ovarian cyst produce very severe abdominal pain with the mass. Any female patient with a right-sided lower abdominal pain should undergo a gynecological examination to rule out the cases of mentioned above before subjecting to the appendectomy. Systemic diseases, pleurisy and pneumonia, porphyria violent, intestinal colic occurs due to the spasm. It is precipitated by the barbiturates. Urine is orange colored and when it is exposed to sunlight, the color changes to amber. Port spine causes the compression of the nerve root. Radicular pain, preherpetic pain of the 10th and 11th dorsal nerve is located over the same area and mark hyperesthesia in the present purpura and bleeding disorders. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment on my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel Dynamic Medicos.